Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick review on some cars that came out not too long ago by Arrowhead. And if you're not familiar with them, Blaine Hatfield, the gentleman that used to work there and sort of run Exact Rail, left Exact Rail and started his own company, and this is one of his first cars that came out, and that was the specifically a Bethlehem steel committee design 70-ton hopper. Comes with a load, comes with Katie's. Just probably the nicest 70-ton hopper I've ever set my eyes on. So I got all the ones they made in Southern. If you're interested in this, occasionally Lombard Hobbies has some, and they had some at some really good prices not too long ago. Don't know if they have any, but most places sold out of them, but you may want to keep your eyes open and check with them. I'm going to pick this up for some closer in views. Okay, so pardon my hands, but I just really want everybody to see a closer. I just noticed a little bit of damage on this car on the left hand side. I thought my eyes were playing tricks on me. Looks like that left brace there got a little dented in. The first one I've seen with any kind of damage, but let me continue on. The undercar detail is, I've never seen anything like it. All the hatch doors, as well as their the handles for them, car number, road name, and stuff listed underneath. All metal, hand grab irons. Just amazing. Of course, totally correct. Brake wheel and all the different parts and pieces, uncoupling levers, air hoses, Katie either 158s or probably 158s, because the coupler boxes themselves are pretty narrow, but just wanted to give a little bit of a close-up. I'm going to take the load out of this and let you see the inside too. Okay, inside looks decent enough. Not the most detailed, but still decent. And here's the end of the box. All these particular hopper cars come in a sort of a light green box. Definitely bulletproof packing. Car's not going to shift. A little card that came with each car. 145 separate parts. Wow. Glad I didn't have to put this one together. Alright, well that's about it. Thanks for watching. Take care.